2 and 3.
All alone again tonight, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. Wondering how it could go so wrong, but you didn't call for help.
Like, this is the first time that we've actually felt pretty festive.
How it's all connected.
Hey guys, what's up? I don't know what day this is as far as the weekly vlog, but I want to start off by saying that I don't know if I necessarily like this hair. I think I do like this wig for photos, so I'm gonna just keep this because I'm gonna use it for something. This weekly vlog is also sponsored by Tula Skincare. I worked with them in my other video where I did a full dedicated video on how I transformed my skin texture. But yeah, so basically I've already washed my face with the Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. I use this every morning and also every night. I rarely change out of this cleanser. Plus there's just so much product in here, I just feel like might as well just use it up. I'm also currently wearing the Tula Skincare Protect and Glow Sunscreen, my favorite. I'm gonna be out of this very soon. UVA and UVB protection. Also, it has skincare all in one. Doesn't have a smell either, which is great if you guys are not into any like fragrance or anything. It's fragrance free. On top of that, it's just a really good sunscreen. It gives you that nice glow. It does not dry out your skin, which is cool. And one of my other favorites is the Breakout Star Oil-Free Acne Moisturizer. I use this every morning. I don't use it at night. I have a different product for acne at night, but this is like a daily acne moisturizer. It's one of my favorites. I love it. It is so good. It just keeps my acne in check during the day. I feel like I'm almost out of it, or I'm going to be out of it sometime soon because I use this product all the time. Yeah, it's got aloe, watermelon, salicylic acid, azelaic acid, which honestly helps to brighten up the appearance of acne scarring, brightening, rose glow, and get it cooling, brightening eye balm. I'll be using this for this makeup video for today. The last thing I'll be using for this video is the Tula Skincare Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel. I love this stuff. I've gotten so many compliments on my skincare or my makeup videos recently, and this is what it looks like. It's like a nice little gel-like texture. It's also skincare infused, which is awesome. So I'm gonna use this now. Thank you to Tula for sending me all these products. Okay, so I just woke up a while ago. I actually already got ready for today. I wanted to try vlogging and wherever we go to, whether it's like Whole Foods or Marshalls or something, and just get more comfortable with vlogging. I also did my nails today, which look kind of pretty. These are just some press-ons that I got from the Kiss collection. I got these while I was in Japan, honestly, a year ago, and I hadn't really used them. I'm going to try my best to vlog today, or vlog for the rest of this week, and because I know that you guys really did enjoy my last vlog, and I want to thank you guys for all the really cool comments, because I was kind of wondering if I should continue this or not, and I might just go ahead and do that. And yeah, so I'm going to finish getting ready, and I will see you guys wherever we're going to be at. We're going to be going to Joshua Tree pretty soon, and I really want to get some cool accessories and just honestly in general, because I feel like my body has changed a lot since quarantine, and I'm just trying to get clothes that really fit me and that I'm comfortable in. Let's go ahead and go and thrift.
But yeah, you can go for more daring looks, I guess.
The same day, we ended up finding ourselves a pumpkin patch to go explore, and this was my first time ever going to one, and it was awesome. They also had a farmer's market on the inside.
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed.
Okay, so right now we're at this pumpkin patch area, and we just happened to find it on the road, and it looks really cute.
Holes in these walls, we like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls. The fire.
That's why iPhones just for that purpose. But it's
like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door.
Hey, buddy. Hi, buddy. Uh-huh. We went to the pumpkin patch. I totally got a watermelon.
Next day, we met up with Kevin's friend Mika. She's on BookTube, and so is Kevin, and it's really cool because we got to visit the last bookstore in downtown LA, which I haven't been to for years. So the cool thing about this night was that no one was really in the store, so we just got to honestly experience the store by ourselves. And they have 2 stories there, so basically there's a lot to do. So right now we are at the Row, which previously used to be the American Apparel factory that you could go and shop in. Kind of probably more on the expensive side, but I do want to check it out and see what they've got. We also visited a Korean Japanese market in downtown LA, and they had this whole little area just filled with a ton of vending machines. They had so many options for healthy drinks and stuff that I've never tried before. So I ended up getting a hemp CBD drink. This was pretty cool. I think it was actually just hemp, but I ended up buying one and I thought it was delicious. So I'm gonna definitely get this brand again. Also on Halloween, I went to Veggie Grill and I got to hang out with Marista and Coco from Melanin Squared and also CC Less Than 3. These people are so amazing to hang out with, you guys. It was my first time ever hanging out with them. They are awesome, and I've been watching them on YouTube and also seeing them on Instagram for a while now, and I can't wait for us to collab in the future. It's going to be exciting, and honestly, they made my Halloween night. That's it for this vlog. I hope that you guys liked it, and be sure to go ahead and subscribe.